This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Vine. Amazon Vine is an exclusive, invitation-only program designed for Amazon's most trusted and helpful reviewers. As a Vine voice, you receive free products from participating vendors, allowing you to provide honest and unbiased reviews. These reviews are crucial for helping other shoppers make informed purchasing decisions, contributing significantly to the Amazon community by offering genuine insights into new and pre-release items. Becoming an Amazon Vine voice is not something you can apply for. It's purely by invitation. Amazon identifies potential Vine voices based on their reviewer rank, which reflects the helpfulness and quality of their past reviews. To increase your chances, consistently write detailed, insightful, and unbiased reviews across a variety of products. Focus on providing value to other shoppers, maintaining a high standard of review quality and frequency over time, as this is key to catching Amazon's attention. Once you become a Vine voice, you gain access to a special catalog of products available for review. You can select items that genuinely interest you, and they will be shipped to you free of charge. The expectation is that you submit a comprehensive review within approximately 30 days of receiving the product. Your reviews will then be published with a distinctive Vine voice badge, clearly indicating that the product was provided to you through the program for review purposes. To excel as a Vine voice, always strive for thorough and balanced reviews, highlighting both the pros and cons of a product. Incorporating high-quality photos and videos can significantly enhance your reviews, making them more helpful to potential buyers. It's vital to adhere strictly to Amazon's community guidelines, ensuring your feedback remains objective and constructive. Your consistent performance and adherence to these standards will influence your continued participation and the variety of products offered to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.